Alright, now before we jump into this video, just a quick overview of what you're going to see and what this video breakdown is. Now in my previous post, I continued my research on improving production quality of my first-person photographic videos, or POV. And I started this with the Rain cinematic vlog and then published this second video. And for a small channel like mine, the response has been incredible. So thanks so much to all of you who are showing appreciation for my work. It really means a lot, so thank you. Now for those of you who may have not seen this video before, here to the left you'll see the raw footage I filmed with the Fujifilm X-T4 and the GoPro 7 with no editing or effects whatsoever. And here to the right you'll see the final video with color grading, transitions, effect and so on and so forth. And in the bottom half you'll be able to see the whole of my timeline, which is not overly complex, but I had a few elements overlapping, particularly with sound design. And if you're interested in the final video alone and want to see it full screen without the editing breakdown, perhaps on the shiny new TV you bought on Black Friday, I leave a link in the description below. Now, a couple notes before we start. So on color grading, I filmed this with Eterna film simulation on the Fujifilm X-T4 and ProTune on the GoPro. I don't like to shoot with log profiles in low light because the scene already has limited dynamic range, and also with the fog everything is very soft. So I chose Eterna and ProTune and then applied my grading to an adjustment layer in Premiere. For the sake of storytelling, I did some change on the colors of the photos as well based on the scene I was filming. They were all edited individually to my taste, but as a sequence they were not always consistent. So I used the color match tool in Premiere to give the photos the same tonality of the footage and allow the story to flow without too many visual breaks. And then with the audio, frankly I'm so happy that many of you who have watched the video appreciated the music. And I spent quite some time on Epidemic Sound to find the right tracks and some good pairings as well. And I also had to split two of the songs in the individual instruments to remix them and create the atmosphere that I wanted, which is very easy to do with the files that you download from Epidemic Sound. Now, they're not sponsoring my video in any way, shape or form, but they're the service I use and I will leave a link to them in the description below. But alright, enough talking. You ready? Here we go.